Hey everybody, I hope you're well. From all of us at Floyd Glass and Window, we want to say hello. We want to say thank you for your support for us. For almost 38 years now, we've been serving the community, and we also know that in order to get through all this, we're going to have to do all this together as businesses in this community, and we want to give back to our local community. We have 3 digital spots on billboards, and we want to share those with you as a community, with you as the businesses, because for so long there's a lot of businesses like the Shamrocks, like White Hair, and that are supporting the community, and it's our turn to support you as a community. So we're going to be using our digital billboard space to support you as local businesses and community. So if you'd like, reach out to us, send me a message, and we'll put you up on the billboard. It's our way of saying thank you. And it's our way of continuing to support the community that has supported us for almost 38 years.